Hey there, thinking about diving into the world of AI and data analytics, but feeling swamped by all the training options out there? You are definitely not alone. Stick with me for a few minutes and I will break down the three quality checks you need to look for before you spend your time and money. Trust me, the third one is a game changer. One, profile verification. This one might seem like a no brainer, but you will be surprised how many people skip it. There are tons of experts who have just done a few months of training and now offer courses. How do you check if someone is legit? Hop on LinkedIn and check out their experience and certifications. Look for reputable, internationally recognized qualifications. Basically, put on your detective hat and do some digging. Two, learning roadmap. Imagine going to the doctor and before you even say what's wrong, they hand you over a prescription. Crazy, right? But that's what a lot of training programs do. A good training should start by getting to know you and your goals. They should offer a personalized learning path that details the skills you need, how to gain the experience, and how to prepare for the job market. If they don't, that is a big red flag. Three, the training outcome. Let's be real, you want a job, not just a bunch of skills. Many programs brag about teaching all the cool AI and data skills, but say nothing about the outcomes. Focus on programs that help you solve specific problems in your industry. Remember, employers hire you for the value you bring, not just for your skills. A solid training program should align with this principle. So there you have it. The three essential quality checks every non-tech degree holder should know before signing up for any AI and data analytics training. These checks are just the tip of the iceberg. To help you even more, I have put together the six golden principles every non-tech degree holder must know to transition to AI and data roles within 3 to 6 months and earn a 5 to 6 figure salary working from home. This 20-page E2PE framework report gives you a detailed roadmap for transitioning smoothly into AI and data analytics without spending years on a tech degree. When you download a free copy of the E2PE framework, you will get a special link to book a free 1 hour one-on-one discovery session with me. During this call, I will get to know you better at a professional level, understand what you want to achieve in AI and data, uncover the challenges you're facing in your transition journey, and finally, provide you with a tailored roadmap to land a 5 to 6 figure salary job in AI and data analytics. Okay, a quick recap. The three quality checks for non-tech degree holders to choose the right AI and data analytics trainings are: one, profile verification; two, the learning roadmap; and three, training outcome. So, which one of these checks resonate with you the most? What challenges are you facing in your transition into AI and data analytics? Let me know in the comments. I read and I reply to all of them.